So you got a prips of his tune, You Teach Me, during Nev's interview earlier. Now, he's in the studio. Jah-Lil joins us now, but we're going to take a few minutes to have a chat with him before he takes the stage. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Mr. Jerome, Mr. Summit. Tell me where Jah-Lil came from.
I mean, 67 Chisholm Avenue, Kingston 13, both from there and Grandspan, growing up was, awesome. They look at half things with, not being able to afford certain things, whatever, but, it made me grow in somebody great, So
the name Jah-Lil, how does Jah-Lil get birthed from Jerome?
All right, so Jah-Lil now, in my community, I was always the peacemaker. Yeah, so so the people used to call me Liquor Jah, because my always I bring peace, So if people fight, all of them things.
You're stepping in.
Yeah, if me have $1 and $2, give cross. So Liquor Jah, so I say, mother make it in a musical name, because I'm sing. Yeah, so I'm just go Jah-Lil.
So Jah-Lil.
It actually means anomaly as well,
Oh. So you're unique.
Yeah.
Special. So when did the music start? When did you realize you had a talent?
Long time, from about age 10. Used to sing in churches and, school, everywhere. Used to sing everywhere. But it began professionally at 2011 JCDC, where I went, I entered and won that competition, met a lot of wonderful people in the industry, So yeah, definitely.
Which song you won with?
A tune called We Need, at that time. It was so unique because it was a gospel competition, but...
Interesting.
Yeah, the song was... It kind of was on the sideline of being gospel and, secular in a way, and people, they really appreciate it, so... Yeah, so...
So you've been a part of VP compilations more than once.
Yeah.
You've done work with producers here in Jamaica, overseas. Tell us where you're headed. What you're working on now, and what do you want the future to look like? I
have over 1,000 songs.
Jeez, wow.
Yeah, I've been recording a lot, man.
Writing and recording?
Yes.
You write your own?
Yeah, and where I'm headed, they always say the sky's the limit, but not for me,
Ooh.
Yeah, we all look further than the sky, So we are working on some great things, great producers, I have a bigger protege as well, because he's really instrumental in reggae music and, Jamaican music. I don't think we really give them,
enough credit.
Yeah, enough credit, so for a big up man like that, Silly Wax as well still, I still have projects with him, So we have some nice things to come.
Okay.
Nice things.
Including right now.
Yes,
what you performing
right
for us now?
A song called Dog.
The man got a tough dog on his shirt.
Yeah, man.
Are you a fan of, are they your favorite pets?
Yes, definitely.
So you wrote about them?
Yeah, because, we have to put a positive spin on what they made a stigma. Yeah, man.
See that? All right, Jah-Lil, it's your turn.
Yeah, blessings.
A dog is loyal when you treat it right, yeah. She call me dog and that's alright. That's alright, yeah. Listen, if you did them on the street when you're gone, me would see the sheep on the farm. If me never cold, would seek for be warm. Tell me why me for stay in the storm. Them offer meat, but me stay with your can. I'ma still make you sing a soprano. Wait for me from a night till a morning. Me never did go run, go way down there. Real talk that rough. Cause I you me check for, yeah. Cause me love you enough. Everybody know me and your protector. But you watch your talk and watch your speech. For you my back that I the least. You not fi ask me are your peace. Me dep on a leash. She call me dog. She call me dog. She call me dog, and that's alright, yeah. A dog is loyal when you treat it right, yeah. She call me dog, and that's alright, dog, yeah. That's alright. Watch out. I just want kisses from my missus. This is better than with cheese. I love how you do like dishes. My action, my wishes, yeah. It's for no other boy. And boy, spell from witches, yeah. This D is your premises again. Real talk that rough. Cause you me check for you. Come love you enough. Everybody know me and your protector. Beg you watch your talk and watch your speech. For you my back that I the least. You not fi ask me and your peace. Me dep on a leash and she call me dog. Dog. She call me dog and that's alright, yeah. A dog is loyal when you treat it right, alright. She call me dog and that's alright. She call me dog and that's alright. And that's alright. A dog is loyal when you treat it right. She